Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to disable OneDrive Cloud Storage. To disable OneDrive Cloud Storage, we have some steps for you. First, unlink OneDrive from your PC. Click the OneDrive or the cloud icon in the system tray. Then click OneDrive. Choose Settings, Account tab. Click Unlink this PC, then confirm. Disable OneDrive from startup. Press Ctrl plus Shift Escape to open Task Manager. Then go to the Startup tab. Find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click and choose Disable. Stop OneDrive background processes. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Find OneDrive, right-click, and choose End Task. Uninstall OneDrive. Press Windows plus R, then type the code, and press Enter. Find Microsoft OneDrive. Right-click, and choose Uninstall. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.